Automatic load sharing of transformer using microcontroller. Arduino code explanation. We will include liquid crystal library. LCD pins are connected to digital pin 4 to 9 of Arduino. Load 1 will be used as a float value. Integer R1 equal to digital pin 2 and integer R2 equal to digital pin 12 of Arduino. Void setup. We will describe input and output pins of Arduino. A0 or analog 0 pin will be used as input pin and digital pin 2 and 12 will be used as the output pins of Arduino. Void loop. We will print these values on the LCD. In our code we have two conditions, that is if the sensor value is less than 500 or if the sensor value is greater than 500. We will see first, if the sensor value is less than 500, then the digital write R1 will be high and LCD will print T1 on and T2 off. R1 means the digital pin 2 will be high, that will turn on the load, and the LCD will print T1 on and T2 off. Now the second condition, if the sensor value is greater than 500, the digital write R2 will be high, that means digital pin 12 will be high and it will turn on the transformer. LCD will print T1 on, T2 on. Automatic load sharing of transformer using microcontroller. Transformer 1, transformer 2. Rectification unit for transformer 1, rectifier for transformer 2, capacitor for filtering out the rectifier output, 7812 ICs for output of 12 volt constant, reset button of Arduino or the microcontroller, LED indication for 7812 IC, 7805 IC which will convert the 12 volt into 5 volt constant, which will be compatible for LCD and the Arduino or microcontroller, LED indication for 7805, potentiometer for increasing or decreasing the load. This preset for increasing or decreasing the contrast of LCD. LCD pins are connected to Arduino's digital pin 4 to 9. Relays. This relay for switching off load and this for switching off transformer 2. LED indication for the relay. Same value transistors which will trigger this relay on or off. The transistors base pin are connected to the output pin of the digital pin 2 and 4. So 2 and 12 of the Arduino. The wiper of the potentiometer, wiper pin of the potentiometer is connected to the input pin of the Arduino, that is the A0 pin or the analog 0 pin, and the two ends are connected to the plus 5 volt and minus 5 volt or ground. The load is 0, transformer 1 is on, transformer 2 is off. When we will increase the load by the potentiometer at 50 or above 50, the second transformer will be turned on, as you can see on the LED indication and also on the screen that the second transformer has turned on. We have used this relay for the protection of the load. When there will be a short circuit in the system, it will damage the load. So for protection of load we have used the relay. When there will be a short circuit in system, the relay will be turned off and protecting the load. Now we will make a short circuit and see that the relay works or not. We have made short circuit. Now the whole system is short circuited and the relay has turned off the load and the transformer for the protection purpose. As we open the short circuit or remove short circuit, the relay has been triggered.